I'm Kim. I'm with 626 Ohana, California. And are you going to say hello?
I'm Brad. I'm behind the camera.
Alright, let's take a look. We're at Art Animation in a Finding Nemo suite. So let's go ahead and take a look. First thing I notice is this like squirt-like fish artworort. That's kind of cool and unique.
And then they got a bed stand on the side there with a plug-in.
Yeah.
Plug-in with my favorite things.
Nope.
USB ports.
Oh yeah, on the two sides. Sorry.
Yep. It's kind of dark, sorry.
So the kind of cool, unique things about these rooms is these Murphy beds come down.
And we'll show it to you right now.
Unfortunately, we did not get the Murphy bed folded out because we found water on the floor. It was coming from our mini fridge, which Disney did replace and cleaned up. So if you're wondering what a similar bed looks like folded out, please look at our Lion King suite tour.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's get back to the room tour.
And
right.
we're back.
Okay.
Wasn't that quick?
It's like magic. Okay, I like the bubble lights too. That's kind of cool. And then you have another drawer.
With USB.
Dresser. Yeah. Back here you have the main bathroom.
Okay.
It's kind of, I like this. Fish are our friends. Quote. It's like a little porthole.
Yeah, hopefully you guys can see it. It's kind of hard with this angle, but fish are your friends.
Right up there.
That's cool.
And then you come in. And the big shower.
Bruce.
You got, yeah.
All the sharks and Dory.
Dory. All right, this is cool. I like the shower's tile, but
I don't care for it.
okay, that's personal
Yeah,
choices.
it's kind of brown.
Bottles. Wah wah wah.
Yeah, we're kind of expecting that.
Okay, but the nice part,
But you got a standard tub,
yeah.
so that's good for kids.
And they have a full-length mirror.
And
Hello.
like I always show you, there's the toilet. I gotta do it.
All right, and back here, they have an odd place for hooks.
Oh yeah, that is kind of. Oh, you know what this is?
This is a
handicap
handicapped bathroom. Okay.
That's why it has a bar in it.
All right, so this seems to be a handicapped room. We did not request it, but
So we got.
we won't complain. Okay, we come into the nice living space area.
So we got a nice little kitchenette, I guess. There's
You
a
got it.
kitchenette.
Yeah.
Plastic, forks,
Yeah,
fork
tea,
spoons, plates,
coffee.
small microwave, cups, coffee. The only thing we wish is the bigger pots, but
We
it's
can
the
make
single
do.
cups. Yep.
Okay, and
And-
I did put our donuts in there, so it's our donuts
French.
from Food and Wine Festival.
Little French.
Yeah.
Little fridge.
Mini fridge. And you just got the under sink storage. Oh, and your fire extinguisher.
Very important.
Ooh, yes. I'm gonna turn down here.
And then you got your trash with recycle. And then,
Yep.
of course, you got your bed.
Well,
So you got your fish that are made up, a whole bunch of fishes.
yeah, and the couch looks like the coral.
And then you get your bed that will turn into a full-size bed. And there it is. Ta-da!
So this is the room you have with everything in here. We'll
So-
have to organize it a little bit better, but
Yeah, so let's go back to where we closed. We're back. See? And this is the room that you have with it. Hold everything back in. Got a nice little chair. Hey, dresser.
I like this little lamp. It's like little sea urchins.
Phone.
Little phone. Okay, let's take a look out. We don't have the. We're right by the Skyliner, so actually I'd be interested to see what this view looks like in the morning.
We'll take a
We'll
view
take a
at
look
the
in the
morning.
morning. But that's interesting.
Then you got your dresser.
You got this nice, comfy
You got your chair.
chair, dresser.
Kind of hard to open.
Yeah, they are hard to open.
Drop from the bottom.
Okay, so there's four, and there's one just like that. And then this is your closet. You don't really have a closet. You have extra pillows and blankets. I like that they're sealed to show you.
And this is the living room that converts into
Yeah.
a bedroom, basically.
And then under here, they have pillows.
And ignore all our luggage because we weren't expecting it to be here.
Right, but it's very efficient they did that this time. We didn't have to call.
And the master bathroom.
Okay.
Where do we want to start?
Start with the bathroom.
You know something I noticed before you get in there? Look at the counters, and I bet they did in the other one. It's like the submarine markings of a ship.
Yeah. And once again, they have the same like sea portal. But look at the light fixture.
It's like a
That's kind of cool. And they've got the makeup mirror. And once again, okay, so they have higher hooks here.
And a shower.
And the shower.
Which is actually that shower head for me.
Is it good height?
It might be an issue.
Oh, okay. So Brad, how tall are you?
I am about just a little about 6'2". Kim, Kim, take the camera. Wait. So,
Let's see. Brad
Kim's got me in the shower. It's close. So I'm about 6'2". If you're over 6'2", it could be an issue.
You may have to kind of squat down to.
Yeah, well, you might have to. Well,
we're
tall. When we're tall, we're used to doing this. In the short ones. So.
Okay, now we just took an interesting trip on our vlogs.
Now we're back to Kim.
Okay, so back in our bedroom, we've got these nice little under the sea. Those look like jellyfish lamps.
And those lamps actually.
You got your Bible.
And those lamps actually have USB ports, and there's 2 of them on each side. So actually, it's nice to have those.
I kind of like for our backpacks that they have those open areas down below, so that's kind of cool.
And then under the bed,
Pass through luggage.
for your luggage.
Look at this tile.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's different.
And then you have the same type of setup for the drawers as you did in the living room.
2 more USB ports.
They had that in the living room as well. I'm sorry, we forgot to say that.
Okay, this is the safe. You've got your extra blankets, but this is kind of instead of a closet, so that is different about these types of rooms.
So you got your ironing board, extra blankets, and your suitcase holder.
Yep. And you've got your drawers.
Yeah, it's basically the same thing as that one.
And
then
let's see the headboard. Good grief.
your bed.
So much smaller of a headboard.
Wow, that's the tiniest headboard. Can you see?
Yeah. I want to see the headboard.
Over.
Okay.
Oh. And that's a tiny headboard.
That
It's
is.
not like it's a big deal, but.
No, it's not big. Like, compared to the Lion King, that was just massive.
But you do have a little seahorse.
Yeah. But, like, the Lion King one was massive, so that's kind of interesting. And you still have the bubbles lights.
Yep. So, we're gonna call this a night. We are gonna be spending 2 nights here.
So we'll come back, tell you how comfortable the beds are and all that stuff.
So, we're gonna call that a tour for right now. We'll update you. We're staying here 2 nights, so I'll let you know what the beds are like and everything else, and pros and cons at the end of those 2 nights. So for now, we're gonna say goodbye. Please like, subscribe,
And follow along with our Ohana.
and we'll be right back right now for 2 days later. Well, that was quick. All right, so we've been here for a
2
nights. For you, it's been a quick second as always. Pros. This room is big for a regular room that's not a DVC.
It's a nice size room, it is. And with this table that turns into a Murphy bed, and you've got the couch, and you've got 2 bathrooms, that's a really big deal.
For a family, yeah, to have those 2 bathrooms is really big, even for us for DVC, that we don't always have those 2 bathrooms, and we love having that.
I do like the location of the Little Mermaid room.
Yeah.
It's right next to the big blue pool, right next to the Skyliner, next to the main lobby and everything.
It's probably one of the best central locations you can have here at Art Animation. And the theming, I actually really like the theming here.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it too.
So yeah, that's been the positives. The negatives have been the beds. And
Okay,
that's a big
I've never seen a resort have such. And we had this with our Lion King room too.
Yeah.
And we actually in the Lion King had them give us new mattresses because it was so bad, but they traded out from bad to worse. And here the mattress was horrible as well. Hard. We don't really like hard. Brad tried to, bounce on the bed once to see what it was like, and the mattress never moved.
Yeah, it took all my full weight to actually even move the bed a little bit on the other side. So I guess if somebody else is next to you and they disturb you when they move, you don't have to worry about it here.
And also this bed here, the Murphy bed, then this one my mom said was really tough too.
Yeah. We do have some friends that are staying here, and they're staying in the Little Mermaid side, and they said their bed was fine. So I don't know.
It's weird. It's weird to me, but they like their beds. They said it wasn't too bad over there.
So your views may vary, but so far we've stayed in 2 different rooms, and both beds have been miserable for us to sleep in.
It's like the Flintstone beds, bedrock.
And then the other thing is these floors are all hard floors, so they're all tile floors. This floor, unlike the Lion King floor, actually really hurt my feet to walk on. This one did not hurt my feet to walk on without shoes on.
So the Lion King room it had like little pebbles or stuff in the room. This one did not, so it wasn't as bad to go barefoot in here.
So with that, would we recommend to stay here? I think we're still at a no, unfortunately.
Yeah, and the reason we say that, the beds are hard, and that's a tough pass for us.
That's for us. Is the hardest thing is that you come here, you want to get sleep, get some night's sleep after park time.
And then we also find there's, like we said, there are great things. The theming's great. If it's the first time you've been to Disney and you haven't been to another hotel room, families are going to be excited with all the, it's really over the top compared to a lot of other resorts that are maybe subtle on the theming.
And sorry about the angle of the table. It's not the best angle we could do, unfortunately, at the moment. So with that, I think it's time for us to say goodbye and
Find your magic. Bye, everyone.